I want to talk to you today about growing organically on YouTube. What I mean by that is this. Your very best growth on YouTube isn't going to be from shoutouts from big YouTubers. It's not going to be from sharing your videos on Facebook. Your big break isn't going to be through relying on a different social media platform or getting traffic from other YouTubers. The best way to grow on YouTube is simply by making videos that people want to watch. I don't understand the YouTube algorithm, but I do know this. If you make videos that people want to watch, then people will watch those videos. That's basically what the YouTube algorithm assures. If you make good videos, people are going to watch them. And when that happens, that's organic growth. When they watch those videos, they'll subscribe to your channel. When they subscribe to your channel, they'll share your videos for you. You don't have to do it. And the reason organic growth is better than all those other methods is that it's exactly both what you and YouTube want for your channel. See, YouTube wants you to make good videos. And I think you want to make good videos, right? So if that's the goal that both you and YouTube want for your channel, then that should be your priority. My main channel has over 6,500 subscribers, and I could, if I wanted to, shout out this channel on that one, and I know I'd probably pick up at least 100 subscribers right off the bat. But I don't do that because it's a completely different subscriber base. It's a completely different niche. The people who watch those videos wouldn't necessarily watch these videos. They might subscribe because they want to support me, but if they subscribe and don't watch, that's actually hurting my channel. If they subscribe and don't watch, that's telling YouTube that my subscribers aren't interested in my content, and therefore they wouldn't give impressions of my content to other people to watch either. So instead of trying to force people to subscribe and watch your channel, simply start making good videos. If you make videos people want to watch, people are going to watch those videos. Now, the downside to organic growth is that it takes a lot longer. Or rather that it seems like it takes a lot longer. Once again, if I shouted out this channel to my main channel's audience, I'd see a whole bunch more subscribers, but it's actually kind of false growth. And the reason it's false growth is it's kind of an illusion of growth. See, the thing is, you don't want to just look like you're growing. You want to actually grow. And if you actually want to grow, then views and subscribers are going to grow together. If you just increase your subscribers and your views aren't growing at the same time, it's just false growth. But if you make good videos and your views are going up, then people will naturally subscribe and watch those videos. And they'll continue watching your videos. That's organic growth. That's the kind of growth that both you and YouTube want for your channel. Whether you're a content creator or an entrepreneur, or you're just trying to work yourself up the ladder, organic growth is better. There's a great old musical called How to Succeed in Business Without Really Trying. In the movie, the main character basically tries to work his way up the ladder without actually working his way up the ladder. He fakes it, he acts like he's working, but he doesn't actually know how to be the boss, and he doesn't actually put in the work in order to be the boss. Now, in the movie, he succeeds, but that's not real life. In real life, if you want to succeed, you got to put in the work. So when it comes to YouTube, that means making better videos. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. There's no shortcuts. You got to work hard and keep on showing up. But I think you can do it, because if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.